welcome back to What Karen Loves. So today I thought I would do a summer look makeup tutorial because it's something easy, something I could do because, you know, I like makeup tutorials. I haven't done one in a little bit on the channel. So I thought, why not? And for the vlog, we're probably going to do like a recipe, you know, because we haven't done a recipe of food vlog in a while, I realized. So go check out that. That should be in the description of this video, so go read it, go give it some love. And I'm actually really proud of the summer must-haves blog. I really did a really good job on that. So I'll actually put that in the description of this video too, because summer and this. So anyways, let's get started, shall we? Let's, you know, wrap up this face because, you know, who knows what's on it. Sorry for this look I got going on right now, but we're probably gonna go hiking today. Don't worry, I'm gonna wipe up this anyways, but I wanted to do this for this video and then wipe it off and then, you know, all that stuff. So not a big deal. I'm gonna clean my face anyways, so it's not like a big deal for me. It's okay, it's a shower day anyway, so it's not like it's a big deal for me. Alright, so like I said, I want to do a summer look, and lighting is not on my friends today, so hopefully you can see me. I'm hoping for Christmas, Santa Claus will send me some good lighting. But it's definitely not the best right now. Or hopefully when we get in the house, lighting will be better. Because this lighting sucks. I mean, I had to take off the top of like light that covers the light itself just to make it somewhat better in here. And then I get my hair done. So if it looks like it's crappy looking, probably is crappy looking because it's coming in. The color is just not, it's not being my friend. And plus it's growing into top of it, so okay. I want to do something I haven't done in a while, so give me a minute. Let's do Get Pretty Rich. We haven't done that in a while. Alright. I think my brush is always dirty. Clean them and then just take it dirty again. Recommend some stuff I need to get. You know, like, you know, I need to get. I want to try those machines, but like I'm scared like they're gonna damage my my brushes. I don't know. Will they? I don't know. I see videos all the time of like their brushes get damaged. And like, I don't want that to happen because like brushes are expensive and I don't want to have to replace them. So maybe that's just me. Maybe that's just me. Maybe that's just me. Actually, we have done this one recently. So we have done this one. How about this one? We haven't done this one in a while. Y'all want to do this one? I know we haven't done this one in a while. Alright, let's see. What kind of colors do we want to do? We want to do like summer look, right? Let me make sure this is still recording. Hopefully it is. I haven't really recorded too much today. Ow. Like caught my finger and like it hurts. Alright. So we want to do a summer look. I'm thinking about going pink or this color right here, but I think that color is always my favorite right here, which is, I wouldn't know because it's all kind of mystical. That's what it says. Alright. Oh my gosh, I got stuff all over my nose. I didn't even realize. My nose is like all dry again. I've been putting like moisturizer all over, but it hasn't really been helping. Alright, here we go. See this? So pretty. Okay. By the way, I have been wanting to do that drive-through challenge, but like so expensive and so not worth it for me to do. I've been wanting to do it though, but no, thank you. I have been wanting to review some stuff like products, but give me time, I'll do it. There are some on my list. Just give me time, I'll get them. Just gotta get money. Maybe Christmas time I'll get them. It's gonna be a while. I actually want to try this food box 2 for the channel. I thought that'd be kind of fun. So maybe soon you'll see that. I thought that'd be kind of fun to do because you guys know I love food and snacks. So see, this is why I like doing my eyeshadow first. So sometimes I'll do the foundation first, but like so we don't have to wipe away the crumbs. Crumbs like it's food. Make jokes. Oh, I wish I had that. Gosh, I can't think of the name right now, but I have put it on the summer must list. I think it's called the Glow Kit, or no, or something. I can't remember the name, but like it looks like summer. Like the colors look so beautiful. So beautiful. I'm not even kidding. I wish I had it today because like the colors, it's like a highlight kit and it's so beautiful. So beautiful. No, I'm pretty sure that's the expensive one too. I can't remember, but like I said, I had fun doing that one. That was so fun. I've been wanting to do that ever since summer started, pretty much. I mean, I don't think officially it hasn't started according to the calendar, but who cares? We don't go by dates here, okay? We don't go by dates. Okay? We don't go by dates. I also share things too that companies share, like products and stuff that I like, that I'm excited about on WhatKarenLoves Facebook page. So you guys should check it out in the description below. I always usually share products that I'm excited about. Like yesterday I shared some lipstick stuff that look awesome. And I'm kidding, like the packaging looks so amazing. I like it like the packaging like was shaped like lips or something, I believe. Pretty sure. I forgot I had it in my hand. Like lips and stuff. It looks so cool. It legit look cool. I'm not even kidding. That looks so cool. It looks so cool. Like I've been wanting it, and you guys know I hate lips. Like doing lips, it sucks. Like I suck at that stuff. I want to get better at it. That's my goal for the summer, to get better at it. My goal is to get better at doing lips, for sure, and eyeliner, because I suck at that too. I don't know if I want to really go in with foundation, because like that's a lot to do. Just have to remove it, so we'll see. We'll see where this goes. I like that. I like that red. What's your color red? I don't know. I'm colorblind today, you guys. Oh my nose is so itchy. I don't know if this would be TMI or not, but like I had a sore the last few weeks ago, and one on the side of my nose, and oh my gosh, it was so annoying. Okay, we'll do highlights stuff like that too. All right. Now we're going to do the pink. I like the pink. This guy right here. I can get it to hold up. No, it's really easy. Yeah. I mean, gold is pretty, but like I like pink. Pink is so pretty. You know what I mean? Pink is pretty. Pink is pretty. I like pink. What do you think about that new Wild palette? I think that's what it's called. It's like vegan and cruelty free. I don't know how I feel about the colors. There's not that many colors I like enough to like feel like I need to go buy it. You know what I mean? There's some colors I like, but not enough for me to go buy it. You know what I mean? I don't know. I mean, I do like the message that it's, you know, vegan and cruelty free. Cool. But like, there's not enough colors. There should have been enough like pops and varieties. Oh my gosh, I could not speak today. There should have been enough, you know, more colors, you know? I feel like there should have been more colors, especially considering their message was sponsored by a tiger, and there's not that many colors. I don't think there was a, I don't know if there was a, I don't know, but I don't think there's a black for sure. But like, it's like that Pride palette. There was not even a green in it. There was not a green. Not a green. I'm not talking about the Morphe one. I'm talking about the Tarte one. The Morphe one, I want that one. But the Tarte one, no. No, girl, no. No. Okay. I think it looks pretty good. Honestly, I like it. Okay. I don't know if I really want to go in too well with like foundation, to be honest with you. So we're gonna go in. So I've got like a lot of stuff. Nothing removed. So we're just gonna go in with highlight and all that stuff. If I can find my highlight brush. Highlights, you guys know I love her. I want her new her other new highlight and blush. Kid, not sweet today. You know, actually I need to do blush. That's what I need to do. I'm gonna do blush too. Just can't speak today, you guys. That's what I can't do. I can't speak, obviously. I know it's just a simple look for summer. I mean, we're really gonna do a lot of stuff for summer. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot. We're gonna be sweating. We're not gonna be wanting to do a bunch of stuff for summer anyway. So easy, quick look for summer. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna title this. This brush has been bugging my skin ever since the last few weeks. I think these things need to be either washed again or something. It might be the soap. I don't know. It might be the soap, to be honest with you. I'm trying to be for some videos. I'm gonna have a little bit of soap you guys use on your brushes. I can't think of the name of mine. I get mine at Water, so I don't know. I will put some mascara on, but I don't know if I like doing anything else. Oh my god. Got touched in my mouth. I'm like, ew. The lighting is so terrible, I can't even see that it's on my face. That's how terrible it looks from my point of view. Probably looks good to you. You're probably like, girl, you have enough. I can't even tell. Alright, I'm gonna call it. Probably look like a Leo now. That's okay. Oh, playing in with this. That's okay. Alright, we're gonna do something. Let's see. This reminds me of kind of summer. This one. which is really cool. And then we're gonna dabble up on it. So I'm mixing it in with my oops. So I don't have to move too much on my. Usually I'll do like 2 coats of it, so it'll show up a little easier. And then sometimes, and maybe even make sure this is recording, you guys, because I know how this thing is sometimes. Actually, looks really good in house. And the quick, something easy, you know what I'm saying? Something so cute. I think I'm done. I think it looks really good. I mean, it still looks like I have something on me and not like summer, basically. The summer look. Put this in here, not in the drawer, camera. Okay, here it is. Ready? Move this stuff on my way. I think it turned out really good. I like the colors. I think it reminds me of summer. I mean, like, it's a pop. You know, it's a pop color, which is like, you know, summer's pop. Really pop, you know. Pop, pop, pop. I like it. It's really pretty. And of course, you know, we got that highlight going. We got, you know, got pretty colors with like the, you know, pretty rose, which is the romantic rose color. I got this from Walmart, you guys, if you're wondering. And then we got the here. Go on with this right here. It looks really pretty. I really like it, honestly. It looks really good. I like it. I think it turned out really good. And it's something simple. My hair is just not working today. And I brushed it about 5 times. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And thank you guys so much for watching. And hopefully next week we're going to do something fun. Maybe an unboxing or review or something fun. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Until then, oh, don't forget to check out the blog down below or blogs. Go check out the summer must-haves and check out today's blog, which will be a recipe. I don't know. Our recipes, maybe picture recipes. I don't know. I don't know what. I'll figure it out. Anyways, that's all I have. I would set this, but I'm not gonna go anywhere. So, this is what I use for set spray, if you're wondering. Anyways, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I had fun doing it. I mean, I wanted to do like a summer look, and it's kind of like summer. I mean, you want to do like pop something cute, something easy. I mean, I hate doing like foundation in the summer because like it's hot. It's like I mean, I hate doing that because like you're like in the sun. It's like, ugh. I mean, usually I don't mind it if like I'm not out all day, but if I'm not out all day, it's like, ugh. So it's just cute. It still looks like I have one on, but I don't have it. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you guys have a great day. That's all. XOXO. Bye, guys.